No, that's the wrong shape. That's not going to go. Can you do it if I turn it around for you? There's a square. Can you do that? No, you'll want... That's probably not going to work that well. Okay. Oh, there's another shape. Okay.
Cooking for a child with exact white ribbons.
Do you want to go on the couch, Aiden?
Sorry?
Do you want to go on the couch, Aiden? Hey. Talking to Aiden. Do you want to go on the couch? Do you want to come here? What's on the couch? I love how you get up on the couch. And then you roll over, hey? Hey, honey. You just roll on top of the couch. How do you do that? Can you come down? Feet first, careful. Oh, there's the letter. There's the R. Foot first, careful, other foot. Good, good, good. Good boy. Good guy, Aiden. Hey, you're so pleased. Hey. Aiden.